Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel popcorn using your popcorn machine. First, you'll want to pop 8 ounces of your favorite popcorn kernels. Make sure all the kernels are fully popped for the best texture. Once popped, transfer the fluffy corn into a very large, heat-safe bowl, ready for the next step. Next, let's create that rich caramel sauce. In a saucepan, melt 1 cup of butter with 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Stir in 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring constantly for 5 minutes. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for the fun part. Carefully pour the hot, bubbly caramel sauce over your popped corn in the large bowl. Use a sturdy spoon to mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every piece of popcorn is beautifully coated. Spread the coated popcorn onto 2 large baking sheets. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes for even crispness. Once baked, remove the caramel popcorn from the oven and let it cool completely on the baking sheets. This allows the caramel to harden and become wonderfully crisp. Once cool, break it apart into delicious, bite-sized pieces. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to maintain freshness. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.